Hello students, today we are going to do some numericals based on speed, distance and time, and our first problem is a spaceship travel 36,000 km in 1 hour. Express its speed in km per second. So we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance traveled by spaceship is and time is 1 hour. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So we have to convert here hour into second. 1 multiplied by and answer will be 10 km per second. To find out the solution of this numerical, you must know how many seconds are there in 1 hour, or how many hours are there in 1 day. Second question is, Rohan walks to his school, which is at a distance of 3 km from his home in 30 minutes. On reaching, he finds that school is closed and come back by a bicycle with his friend and reaches home in 20 minutes. Find his average speed. You have to find the average speed in kilometer per hour. So the total distance, first of all, the given distance is 3 km. He walks to his school, which is a distance of 3 km from his home in 30 minutes. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 km. Total time on reaching, he finds that school is closed and come back. Means again he is covering the distance of 3 km. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 km. And total time in when he was walking, he takes 30 minutes, and on bicycle he takes 20 minutes to cover this distance. So the time will be 30 plus 20 is equal to 50 minutes. Now we have to find average speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 6 km. Time is 50 minutes. We have to convert this minutes into hour. Will become 7.2 km per hour. The average speed will be 7.2 km per hour. The next question is, a bus travels 54 km in 90 minutes. Find the average speed. As we know that again speed is equal to distance upon time. So the distance is 54 km. We have to convert kilometer into meter, then we have to multiply this with 1000 meter, and time taken 90 minutes, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. The answer will be (10 meter per second). The next question is, calculate question number 4. Calculate the speed of a bus that covers a distance of 7200 meter in 1800 seconds. Now the distance traveled by the bus is distance traveled by bus 2 meter, and time taken equal to 1800 second. And applying the formula of speed is equal to distance upon time. 7200 divided by 1800. This is meter, this is second. 18 fours are 72, so the answer will be 4 meter per second. And the next question is, a car moving at an average speed of 50 km per hour takes 5 hours to reach its destination, and find the distance covered. Now you have to find here distance covered. So the formula to find out the distance covered is equal to speed into time. We will apply this formula in this question. So the distance covered, distance is 50 km per hour, and the time is 5 hours. So the answer will be 250 km. I cancel out, 55 are 250 km. So will be the answer. Thank you.